Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Nabilur Rahman and we are going to discuss about the logistics and its channel in the subject of business logistics, theory and practices. The presentation is being presented to Dr. Janice from the California Intercontinental University. Without delaying, we are moving forward to the next slide. All right, first of all, let's look towards the agenda. Here we are going to discuss about the logistics, what exactly the logistics is, importance of the logistics, and then we will discuss the logistical relationships and its channel. Later on, we will discuss about the future of logistics and question answers will be followed later on. And after that, we will see the references. So let's look first of all what exactly the logistics are. So the logistics is the flow of goods and services that flow between point A to B in the term of transport and storage. If we see the whole scenario, it is called the supply chain management. But if we are talking about the one to second step or probably second to third step, third to fourth step, the logistics involved. So we can also say that the logistics is the subset of the supply chain. It basically involves the transportation management and warehouse management. There are two types of logistics, which is called inbound logistics and outbound logistics. Let's see what exactly the inbound logistics is. Here, the storage, transportation, the delivery is being done for a plant or a company. For example, we are talking about the car manufacturing company. They will buy the engines, tire, windows, gear, or other things, procure them from the various locations. They will pick them up, they will get the transportation in, and then they will assemble that particular thing or car in their warehouse. This is called the inbound logistics, where the products being carried out from the outside of the organization, from the different stores, from the different warehouses, and manufactured and assembled in the warehouse. On the other hand, in outbound logistics, the car is ready for the sale, and the car will be picked up by the different companies, the distributors, the sales shops persons, or the customers, or different people, and then this is called the outbound logistics. Furthermore, the logistics is also the concept that connects the crucial process and provide the basis of design systems that will cost effectively for the customers and for the company. So according to Sapienza, logistics involve different trends in supply chain that includes optimization of entire supply chain network, customer value co-creation. So they focus on the customer value co-creation. They keep on involving the customers in the system. They also said that information is holistically shared between the company, between the customers, between the employees. It has also the joint interpretation to improve the performances. They definitely take the feedback from the different stakeholders to improve their performance. Joint accountability and reward and value creation. Also, the constantly changing the conditions. They keep on innovation, the creativity procedure keeps going on in the logistic process for the betterment of the company and the product. Let's see the advantages of the logistics. Implementing seamless logistics is a key element in keeping pace with the customer demands and outperforming the competitors. When we are talking about the logistics, it is very important to keep in mind that what exactly customer wants. And the best idea to know about the customer wants is the questionnaire, survey, feedback from the customers. Also, to get an edge of the competitors. It is a market where different people are get together and you cannot take the advantage from other person or a company for a long period of time. So effectively coordinated logistics lead to the positive business results. Logistics help business create value. Logistics help in reducing cost and improve efficiency. As we have discussed it earlier, that the creation of value with a customer perspective is very important. It is very important to increase the efficiency of the product or company and reduce the cost. Increasing the sale doesn't mean to increase the cost always. Logistics help delivering your product at the right place timely. It is very important for the customer if someone is purchasing the product from you on an internet or an email way, an e-market. So if you promise to deliver the product in within 24 hours, and if you deliver the product after 24 hours, there is a full of market on internet that can give you better response. So The best part is to keep your customer satisfied in order to create more value. Let's see the few more advantages. Logistic mean moving and storing materials, products, information, and services providers from the point of origin to the point of consumption. That means from the starting point to the ending point, everything here involved called the logistics. It can be considered as a tool for developing the activity of small and medium-sized enterprises that in turn will enhance the good organization of the business and create an additional business chance. I'm not sure. I have studied in different, probably in the last course, where it was written that the good companies are always small or medium enterprises because they are keen focused to their goal. They know how to deliver the particular product on their time. A market with well-organized logistics and supply chain management facilitated has a qualified advantage over other economies, whereas improving logistics infrastructure may serve as competitive tool. So these are the following advantages we have discussed. There was a question in the assignment where we have to talk about the inter-organizational logistics. First of all, let's see what exactly inter-organization means. Inter-organization is a relationship of different units and departments in a same company. On the other hand, talking about the intra-organization, that means a relationship among different organizations. In inter-organizational logistics, top management support and information technology plays an important role to make supply chain effective. The goal of inter-organizational logistics means maximize the profit of the whole company and cut the cost. That's it. Talking about the different logistic channels refer to the networks that involve all the participants of supply chain engaged in the function of transportation, receiving, handling, warehousing, information sharing, or anything that comes in between. So there are different distribution channels that include intensive distribution where products are placed in as many as outlets that can be possible. This is the most common where customer can purchase the goods at any branch or outlet. Selective distribution where products are placed in more limited number of outlets in defined geographical areas. Every company that is working in in different countries, every country has its own culture tradition, so it is not possible the people who are wearing type of clothes in America or United States, same type of people could wear this in Japan. So selective distributions come in that note. Exclusive distribution where products are placed in one outlet in a specific area. This brings about a stronger partnership between seller and reseller, and result is strong bond of loyalty. We can also say that companies probably give the franchise to the specific group of companies who can work or carry out the operations according to the need of the company. Logistic channels often much underestimated factor in the marketing. Many marketers fall for the trap that if you make a better product, consumer will buy it. This is exactly the reason. The problem is that retailer may not be willing to devote shelf space to the new product. They do not want to experience what's coming in. The effective management of distribution channel affect the firms to realize an efficient process of distribution in distributing the final products from the producer to the last customer, and in this way it helps these firms to grow their market and sales. That comes next, activities in logistic channels. While there are a lot of different activities that has been carried out in the logistic channels, we are just going to discuss some of them. Customer services, first of all, this is a most important factor. Industrial packaging, inventory management, material handling. The materials handling is the most important factor because if there is a problem in a sudden in this area, then the whole next steps will be shut down. The company needs to settle this materials handling procedure properly, then they will continue the product. Order management, production scheduling, procurement, return products, transportation management, and warehouse management. These all are as important as the other factor is. Without disturbing each and every factor, the company will be on the perfect path. Last come is the future of logistics. What exactly the future of logistics will be? The managers have implemented various tools and methods of lean management, allowing a continuous improvement approach. Socio-technical system, that is the future of the logistics, where technical element and the social elements will combine together. That the new technologies result the personal and organizational changes. These considerations from the framework, which increases the perspective of human actors, technology, and organization, and ultimately leads to a complementary design of industrial structure. We have taken this from the two of the latest journals, and they have discussed about the future of logistics. Also, the study of Havenga say the systematic view enable macro logistics proposal to address the logistic channels, including proposal regarding a domestic intermodal structure. Exactly, the purpose is to invest and increase the facilitation, probably with the effect of the proposal and challenging environment where the logistic is being divided among the micro and macro levels. So let's see then in the last what exactly the important takeaways are. In this whole presentation, we have seen that the logistic is a subset of supply chain that deals between 2 points. In modern era, the logistic means to create innovation with customer focus. Logistics help in reducing the cost and improve efficiency. Intensive distribution, selective distribution, and exclusive distribution are the different channels of logistics. The last one is the greater efficiency, less asset centric, and e-brokerage platform are the future of logistics. Here are the references, and we have also seen the annotated references that has been submitted to our professor. So in the last, thank you very much for watching this presentation, and I wish best of luck for all of you, my course fellows. So if you have any query, please feel free to ask me on a discussion platform. So bye bye for now and have a great night.